Atupuruch kanalolo lopacho poni gogolo rai kape president lepate loka forum for democratic change arebo FDC Patrick Oboya Amuriat ngesebwele mafomun kanwa bongo kina bolobola sekuno kape president lepate kangon koto Maria mun na polon nepate nebeta itoloto lapango nerasa parashia akanyape akalo na lemu na fomun Amuriat ngesobo limo kitungalo Uganda be mamungesele martai kape president le pate kotuptete kisila lui geruntai kanwe ya itene le pate angon obala bonebe.
I want to say to you, my dear friends, we are here, we are in charge. Those leaders who assigned themselves duties are leaders of Katonga, they are leaders of Birigwa, they are leaders of Dr. Kiza Besije. They have no bearing at all in the leadership in Najanankumbi, and the leadership has remained intact.
Amuriat ngesobuyata kailipa itimio neja simemban lepate loka FDC kanu koloji obweya itene lepate chama kina lokwani jaikita ijana kin kape president lepate areas lukwago alomarto mopate osodeta poko kina polo ukapa tupitoni kia Amuriat.
We didn't know that he was brought in here as a mercenary by the people in Katonga. I want to apologize to you, my dear friends, for an error in judgment in bringing in a mercenary who has never meant well for our organization. Wherever he goes, he kills parties.
Loponinges da gogolo rai kape girigran lopeti le pate Nandala mafabi ngesobunges de lema fomu aparan kanalolo so de atemar bonebe.
My head here, there are people who want it. They want it daily to use it. And you go and sit and say, I have been bought. Bought me, Nandala. I want to tell my colleagues of Katonga that I am priceless. I am what?
Le polo kita kirona seo koto mopate loka FDC toterebuka ba mwenda ngese balabonbe epate ngeso buoge wa ijaunu na fomun kaneja situnga le koto sabolo bol koto madoke na kanegelegela era parana na balasa usoda ngetakin aparan kanalolo idartere riamun na petine pate nebe itaswa mauno lapangon kana itolota seo koto ma uwaitin luegelegela.
Of all these positions, they can tell you there is very tough competition. Almost every position has 2 or more candidates.
Era ya kanya peo la pale bonit imemban le pate loka forum for democratic change ngesebe iteria mun Kampala kanweja uneria mun neti ne pate kanwa seku nengarnok lebet beja nakin kanata mu kane tupakini ite utereba bongo kini onaseo nebe itaitolot okarulo ilukumniare akaisare kedi kanyape. Kanuka TV East Noah Omuya ko Kampala.